paw was activating it, but it just kind of like curdled. I don't know what happened to it. So, that does not smell good. What up, guys? Welcome back to the Slimeatory! So, guys, today I'm going to be doing another subscriber slime shop review. Subscriber slime shop review compared to Instagram slime shops. So, yeah. So, guys, I haven't done this in a while, and this is actually just like a kind of like different version, and I want to kind of try and do this like, you know, maybe a part 2. This seems like it'd be really fun. Basically, guys, I have some of your guys' slime shop that you have sent me from your slime shop, and I am so excited. I love these so much, by the way, guys, but I have so many and I'm trying to get through them. But anyways, and then I also have some slimes that I ordered before. I ordered these, nobody sent me them, so this is just ordered, so yeah. And I didn't have any like new ones, but if you guys like this video, make sure you comment down below and press that like button, and I will order some, and then I will get these two and we'll compare them together. Okay, and yeah. And also, guys, it's the like button challenge for today. It's gonna be trying to press the like button with you guys have to try it. You guys have to comment down below your favorite food and then press the like button in 5 seconds. Can you guys do it? I think you can. All right, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done! Did you guys do it? Make sure to tell me, and yeah, I think you guys will be able to do it. Anyways, let's go straight on into the video. Yo. By the way, guys, if you're gonna send me something from your slime shop, please make sure to put slime shop on the package, because then I get confused and it's really hard. But anyways, this one is from Unique Slimes Studio, and that's Z. So Unique Slime Z Studio. So make sure you check him out, and let's see it. All right, what is this? Okay, well, it smells really good. Did I get it on my nose? I have absolutely no idea what this is, but it looks really cool. It's like a fluffy butter slime. It looks really nice. Okay, let me just go ahead and activate it real quick. Completely melted, which it's really hot here, so that's probably why, like, I'm talking like 112 degrees hot. All right, I think we need some more activator. Okay, so this is a really cool texture. I like it a lot. It's like really kind of like fluffy, light butter slime. It's also kind of like a batter more than like a butter slime, you know, like the firm, thick ones. I don't know if they use a different clay or something, but like this is really nice. Okay, I'm not gonna take too long on these. I keep forgetting. I always take really long on the slimes, and there's a lot in this packet. Okay, so that was just a tiny one on top, so let's go ahead and get inside. So right here, what is this? Oh, it's fragrance. Oh, this seems cool. That is a big, whoa, that smells like Captain Crunch. This is awesome, thank you so much. Okay, I'm gonna try and get through all of them, but I'm gonna have to like kind of like poke them like not a lot, so yeah. Okay, first we got is Unicorn Crunch cereal. Ooh, that smells good. Kind of smells a little citrusy, I don't know if I'm right, but. So here it is, guys, all activated. It's really, really, really nice, I love it. I love the color of it, first of all. I really love pastel colors, so this pastel pink is awesome. And it has really nice foam beads in here. I love the foam beads, how they feel. Like, they're a bunch of big foam beads, and the colors of them are beautiful, and I just really like it, guys. There's nothing really wrong with it. Like, there's nothing that I don't like about this slime. Like, I love it. Okay, so let me just go ahead and compare that to the slimes over here. I'm gonna compare it to this one. This one's from Hoshimi Slimes. I did this in a $80 mystery slime box versus a $2 one. The $80 is much better, guys. Oh wait, no, it was $100 and $80. What the heck? But honestly, guys, like all the slimes in it were kind of like jiggly and watered down, you can tell. I like the texture anyways, but like they were kind of watered down, you know? Which one's better?
I'll do with this one.
Yeah, I think I'll take this one because you get more. It's thicker, the texture's nicer. Next one is this one. This one is called Captain Crunch. Ooh.
Does it smell like
Captain Crunch
Berry?
I can't smell it as much. I don't know if it like melted out, but I can't smell it as much. This one looks really pretty though. I love the orange and yellow foam beads. I forgot how Captain Crunch looks, and it has the yellow and orange little pieces in it, and then it has like a blue purple foam beads. Okay, here it is, guys. Very nice and thick. I love the texture. It's like a really nice soft thick, and again, with the pastel colors, I love it. It's like a pastel yellow. You can barely even see the yellow, and I love it. I think it's a yellow. I'm not sure. Maybe it's white. And I love the beads in it, and it kind of also reminds me of candy corn, which I really love candy corn, by the way. Okay, next slime. Ooh, this one's cool. This one's called Mystery Dum Dum. So I'm gonna guess it just like has a mystery scent, which I am excited. I have absolutely no idea what the heck is that, but it smells good. Here it is, guys. Okay, I love the texture of it. It's another like soft, thick one. I love soft thicks. I honestly really love this one. Like that is just like kind of like a really nice simple slime. It kind of reminds me of like kind of like snow or something. I don't know, but I really love this one, guys. Okay, guys, there's 2 more slimes, and I don't think we have enough time to do all of them. But oh my god, pineapple slush. I'm just gonna put some activator in that so I can save it for later and I can play with it later. But like, oh my god, you guys definitely go check out the Unique Slimes. Yeah, Unique Slime Studio. Here it is. There's probably a business card in here, and I'll like get the Instagram so you guys can follow them. That smells so freaking good. Okay, I'm just gonna put the activator all over that. Why didn't I freaking get this one first? And then the other one is poisonous apple, and I think it's a butter slime. It looks so freaking nice. Okay, well those are the last 2 slimes, guys. I don't think we have enough time to do it, but they are so pretty. I'm gonna have to say my favorite is this pineapple slush, even though I didn't touch it, or this Captain Crunch, I think. And yeah, they are beautiful. I love them so much. Well, they didn't put the Instagram, but you guys should definitely check them out on Instagram. This will probably be it. It's Unique Slimes Studio, and it is amazing. I recommend the Captain Crunch one or the pineapple slush. Those are freaking amazing. You guys should definitely follow them. They're really good, and honestly, their packaging was better than some of these slime shops. Like some of these ones just kind of like these ones are extra, you know? Okay, well, thank you so much for this slimes. These are awesome, and they are totally unique. And let's get on to the next one. This next one, guys, is from Holly. I'm not sure what her shop name is, but we'll see, I guess. Okay, so her slime shop is Slimy Addiction, so you guys check them out. Okay, so she sent me 3 squishies. They're so cute. We have a kitty one, this little bread one. I love the bread ones. And then this, I don't know what they're called, but it looks cool. That is crazy. Do you guys see that? Like, that is like some extra sticker. Okay, and then it also has a sticker right here with like the ingredients on it, so that's cool. So here it is, guys, all activated. There's a little bit of cat or dog hair on the package. Not the slime, but like on the package. So I would just try and avoid having like your animal, your pet, buy the slime package just so that you can avoid that. But the slime itself is really clean, like a lot cleaner than others I have seen. But anyways, here it is. It's super crackalacky and it's really cool. Like I love the combination of the orange and the red. And it's super crackalacky. Watch, guys. Like it goes on forever. Okay, well, I guess that's it for that one. Next one, Paul activated for me. It looks really cool. I don't know what kind of slime it is. This seems interesting. It has like these little cubes in it. I'm not sure exactly what kind of cubes these are. I think like some type of foam cubes, but they're really cool. I actually really like this one. Here are the cubes, guys. These ones don't like burst if you press them, which I like because I don't like like I like to, you know, press them, but I just don't like to press them on accident, you know, and they just squish in there. So yeah, but this is really nice. Sometimes the cubes can kind of get in the way if they're too hard, so it's like hard to squish, but these ones kind of just squish along with your hand. And I like the color and the glitter. I like this one a lot. This is my favorite so far from the 2. This next one, I'm gonna guess it's like some type of brownie batter. This one has a lot of clay in it. Here's the other slime, guys. It's like a pink, ooh, like pastel butter pink slime, I think. Let me just go ahead and activate these slimes and I will get back to you guys.
3 days later.
Okay, guys, so here is the brownie slime. Well, I don't know if it's brownie, but here's the brown one. Kind of looks like brownies, so that's why I called it brownie. It's very nice. I love the texture of it. It has like little foam beads in it and black glitter. Next one is this strawberry looking one. This one I really love the texture. It's like has clay in it. I don't know, like it's a different type of clay or something, but like it has a really nice like matte, thick, soft texture. It's weird. It makes some really nice pocolos too. And it also has those little cube thingies. I love the cubes, how they feel, because they're really soft and they're like not hard like the other ones. I'm gonna have to say that this one's my favorite from the whole thing. And yeah. Okay, guys, so to compare this butter slime, I only have this butter slime and it's from Slime Bun. I don't know what happened to it. It kind of just like shrinked and dried up. And yeah, that's all I can say to it. I don't really, honestly, I mean, I really love this slime, like the color and everything, and like the texture, but it just like shrinked and dried up, and yeah, I don't know what to do with it now. So I'm gonna have to go with this one. It's kind of better. Make sure to check them out. It is Slimy Addictions. I really love their slimes, especially this strawberry one, this like buttery one. All I would say is just to try and keep the package a little bit cleaner because there was a few hairs in it, but that is it. Also, try and find like some scents because I feel like scents really help the slimes. There's some at like Walmart if you can't order them. So yeah, this one's really nice. Make sure you check them out, and let's get on to the next one. Okay, this next one, guys, is from C Slimes, and yeah, okay, that seems interesting. Their Instagram is C_Slimes__, and their YouTube is C Slimes, and yeah, okay, so you guys can just go ahead. Oh, and it's handled by Wooda, Harold, and Josie. Josia. I'm not sure if I said that right. But anyways, here is their Instagram. You guys definitely check them out. And let's see the slimes. Okay, so, and we got some, Easter eggs. Whoa, we got a whole Easter egg surprise. This is awesome. Got Starburst. This one has Starburst. Oh, do they all have Starburst? Oh, right, I got a quarter in this one. No, I actually really love quarters. There's so many eggs. This is the cutest thing ever. I love that. So awesome. Okay, guys, so here's all the slimes. She sent me 3 slimes. Oh, this is the cutest wrapping paper ever. This is really nice wrapping paper. Honestly, guys, their, like, packaging is better than, like, some of those freaking stores I bought from. But anyways, here's this one. Oh no. Oh, that one I think is chocolate milkshake. It looks like a cloud cream, but it doesn't say on here. Maybe, I'm gonna guess, because this one says candy butter slime, and then there's a cotton candy slime, so I'm gonna guess this is cotton candy. I'm excited for that one. This one is, yeah, I think this was just the candy butter. Okay, I am excited. Let me just go ahead and activate them all.
3 hours later.
Okay, guys, so here is the candy butter. It's really nice. Oopsies. I like the color, although I feel like if it's candy, it should be like a little bit more pastel, but that's just my opinion. And then also, if it's gonna be butter, I feel like there should be a little bit more clay, like a little bit more buttery, because I feel like this is more like a batter texture. And yeah, that's it. But the scent smells really good. Also, I'd say to put a little bit more scent, because I like scent, but you know, I don't know about other people, but it does smell really good though. The scent that I smell, it smells really good. It smells like really sweet, like creamy candy, like vanilla. I don't know. Kind of smells like chocolate too. Then we have this chocolate milkshake one. Paul was activating it, but it just kind of like curdled. I don't know what happened to it. So, that does not smell good. I don't know what happened to it. It looked really cool, but something happened to it. So I feel like maybe they accidentally put a little bit of food in here. So I just say to avoid, you know, putting like eating while you're making the slime, or like if you eat, don't poke the slime after, because then it can just stay in your nails and it's just. Last one is this one. This one is called Cotton Candy Slime, I think this one is. It's a cloud cream. It's still kind of sticky, but it's fine. It's a cloud fluff, actually. It's very nice. I like it a lot. This is probably going to be my favorite. It's like really nice and fuzzy. Yeah. Okay, well, guys, make sure to check them out. These slimes. The only thing I would say is just to add a little bit more scent to it, so that it kind of gives them that and yeah, that's it. Okay, well, guys, if you like this video, make sure you press that like button and comment down below hashtag part 2. And if you guys want me to do another slime shop, like compare a specific slime shop to a specific slime shop, like I don't know. yeah. Okay, well, guys, that is it. I love you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye.